Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kerr and this is my introduction video. What I do professionally right now is I am a permanency caseworker at a kinship agency here in Philly, and what that role entails is just I help children that are in the Philadelphia foster care system transition into permanency. One of the things that I really enjoyed learning in my past courses so far in the program was different types of communication skills as a social worker and learning how to run groups or facilitate groups. And I also enjoyed the process of learning about human development also. What I'm looking forward to in this course is understanding more about public policy and understanding how to effectively read public policy, and also just taking what I learned from this class and applying it to when I watch the news or things that I see that's going on in the world with the social work public policy lens on. So yeah, I look forward to reading all you guys' posts and getting to know you guys and watching your videos, and happy week 1.